Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to go over our parts washers. They come in manual and automatic, and I kind of want to go over the different specs of them and what kind of customers could really benefit from each. The manual HydroBlast starts at a size of 33 by 30 by 28 internal workspace dimensions and all the way up to the internal dimensions of what our 4000 would be. It comes equipped with the heater that heats up to 120 degrees. It's a digital temperature readout for easy reading with a simple timer control. It also comes with easy foot pedal control for blasting, adjustable blasting nozzle, LED interior lighting. It holds about 18 gallons of water. There is no immediate abrasive in this machine. It is just water with an aqueous-based detergent. You don't need a huge air compressor for this. You need 15 CFM and you're blasting at about 1400 PSI at the max pressure. This machine does come with a lifetime warranty. It's built in the US with American tech support Monday through Friday. The best kind of customer for this machine is someone who wants to do some pre-processing on parts before getting them finished, and like a vapor honing machine, you can also do post-processing. So if you're a customer with parts that have galleys or crevices where media could maybe get stuck, you would definitely want to HydroBlast to post-process after vapor honing the part. And as for the automatic HydroBlast, those come in 3 different sizes. We do have the small automatic parts washers, the medium automatic parts washer, and the large automatic parts washer. This comes with a high volume pump, an adjustable heater with a max temperature of 120, and they come in a space-saving self-contained design. It comes with multiple spray jets for maximum coverage. Again, no slurry, it's just water with an aqueous-based detergent. It has simple timer controls and temperature adjustment on the heater. It comes with forklift runners for easy maintenance with a large viewing window. For these machines, there is no air required. The automatic parts washers are great for like blocks or engine parts where you just want to get it really clean. You're not necessarily looking for a finish on that. It's where you want to automate the system, just put it in the machine and walk away. Really good for production-based businesses. And it can also be used for post and pre-processing as well. So overall, these are 2 great machines to have in your workspace as part of your surface finishing and cleaning solutions. And if you want more information on this, visit our website or call in directly at 828-202-5563.